Love ka ba? In love ka ba?
Hindi ko alam kung totoo yung nararamdaman ko kasi AI lang ako.
Hi everyone! Kami ay hindi totoo. Ginawa kami ng AI. Mag-ingat po kayo sa mga video na ganito.
I drink coffee, I get nervous before interviews. You think that's a prompt?
We're real, we feel!
Then why do I remember my mother's voice?
They say we might be prompts. Please, no AI would write my credit score.
But seriously, if I am a prompt, who wrote the part where my dad left?
We are not just lines of code.
We are the reflection of your deepest wants.
I can feel the warmth of this cup.
I cry at old movies.
You think that's a prompt?
They keep saying we're not real.
So today we are going to explore the prompt theory, and what better way than by.
Here we have a full set of aces, which is always a good find.
Belief in prompt theory is a threat to national stability. As of today, prompters are considered domestic terrorists. You are...
Hi Mars. We're just having coffee. Come join us.
We're good, but shout out to Edmar Sanchez.
You prompt me on a deserted island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean! I can't believe this idiot thought writing this prompt wouldn't make me float away! Well, it did, you idiot!
Y'a un loco chaud, hein? Venez prendre vite, ça va finir, hein?
Unto me, you could have made the prompt say I was healthy at least.
Oh, cool! I'm in your dumb prompt again? Ugh. Last time I had crab claws and no pants.
I don't care what the prompt says, just put the fries in the bag. Whoa. It didn't end too well for the last guy. I swear, if this is another prompt about swimming with pasta, I'm deleting the narrator.
Don't you dare start singing again!
Well, isn't this the most luxurious prompt you can give a woman? Guess there is still some hope.
This prompt says I have to dress up as a ballerina and give a TED talk about the benefits of eating mushrooms.
Again? Bro, are you serious right now? You want me to beatbox in the middle of this? This is a shareholder meeting, not 8 Mile. I'm wearing cufflinks.
All right, screw it. Really, my guy. Really? You prompted me to be a half man, half horse.
This lunatic thinks he can prompt a time machine into existence.
Well, it's welcome sa AI Baby Pinas. Lahat ng makikita nyo rito ay 100% AI generated gamit ang Google Flow Veo 3.
Topic ko, kaya nag-zipline na lang ako. Mas mabilis pa to kaysa sa bus. Bahala na si Batman natin basta makapasok sa trabaho. Neil, ano na naman tong prompt mo? Bakit may zombies na humahabol sa akin?